Hi guys, it's Toddy here. We are at CES 2020 checking out a bunch of stuff at Asus booth here at the show, and one of the things that caught our eye is this, the new Chromebook Flip C436. So the name might not be the catchiest out there, but this is basically a direct continuation of the 434 which launched at CES last year, and what they've really done is double down on that premium experience. So Chromebooks, typically you'll find them in schools and the like, and what Asus wants to do is push this into the more kind of power user market, and that's what they've done with both the hardware and the design. So starting with the lid, this is the white version, the aerogel white version. It actually has a nice iridescence to it. It's a nice premium touch that we also see on the company's latest VivoBook S machines, and there's also a silver model as well, which depending on the market these laptops launch in, you'll be able to pick up one, the other, or both. Beyond that, like a lot of modern machines right now, the company is going for a larger display in a smaller chassis. So this is a 14-inch full HD LED panel in what is effectively a 13-inch frame. The company has used a magnesium alloy deck here as well, so it's nice and strong. And as you might be able to tell, the company is also using their ErgoLift branding for the hinge design, but this is also a 2-in-1. This is a full, as the Flip name implies, this machine you can completely rotate the screen over 360 degrees, so you can use it like a full touch tablet if you want as well. The user experience is pretty much the standard you see from any Chrome machine, but you get a lot more power in the 436, namely thanks to a 10th generation Intel i7 chipset and up to 512 gigabytes of SSD storage as well. With up to 16 gigabytes of RAM as well, this thing basically smashes the likes of the Pixelbook Go into the ground. We don't yet have pricing or availability on these, I should say, so we will know maybe once those hit the market just exactly how much more you're going to have to pay for this premium Chromebook experience. But on first impressions, it's a really nice machine. There's some nice details as well. Asus has even integrated a nice fingerprint sensor into the machine itself, onto the keyboard deck. The keys themselves have 1.2 millimeters of travel and have full backlighting. There's a nice large extended trackpad too, and you have Harman Kardon speakers in their quad audio setup with their Omnisonic directional sound is how they brand it. So basically you should be able to hear it no matter whether you're watching it head on or off angle with a friend. Like I said, we don't have pricing or availability right now, but at first glance this is a really nice looking piece of kit. So that is the Asus Chromebook Flip C436 here at CES 2020. If you want to know more, check out the website and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.